in this dunya, akhirah and hereafter is behind the veil. Akhirat parde ke piche hai. People say we can't see, and that's why dunya we can see. But the point is that even in this worldly matters, there are good things to achieve. Parents, governments, good governments, they want their citizen to achieve. Parents from very young age, they set a scene that child, I want you to study, I want you to go to college. The government is facilitating, giving you free education, opportunities for careers, to do business and become successful worldly from the dunya point of view. Every child, every person, every young man, he can see that whoever has followed the guidelines of parents and governments from worldly point of view, they are successful at least from worldly point of view. Now they have enough to eat, they have enough to actually wear, and they can do things which they like and they desire for. Now I'm not talking about akhirah. I'm not talking about hereafter. Here you can see that those who are successful, who've studied well, who've done good, and now they have good jobs or business or whatever, everyone can see. And then there is the other side as well, which people can see, those who end up in prisons, those who end up in gangs, those who end up destroying their lives, and also the lives of parents, also they are in front of you. Akhirah is behind the veil, you can't see. Okay, for the time being, we say yes. It is ghaib, it is unseen. But this dunya is not unseen. In this dunya, you can see successful and unsuccessful people here. So, in spite of that, parents are saying this, the governments are saying this, the elderly, the wise people, still many, many young people forget about akhirah for time being. I'm saying even worldly terms, they are a failure. Either they think, who can we drug? Who can we mug? How can we defraud? So this means that this excuse which people use, oh, we haven't seen akhirah, akhirah is actually credit, the hereafter is behind the veil, behind the barzakh, we've never seen it. Yes, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam saw it. We believe, but it's difficult. But what about this dunya? There are almost 50% who are failure in this dunya. If you look at the statistics, how many children are born, Muslims or non-Muslims, and how many make to universities and turn out to be good citizens and successful people in their jobs and things. This means it's not a matter of seeing or not seeing. In spite of seeing, many people will end up in prisons. Many people will end up doing bad things in spite of seeing. Normally I speak to people, show them akhirah, come towards akhirah, come towards akhirah. But we are even failing in dunya, where we can see everything. So know that in spite of the nasiha of Anbiya alayhimus salam and awliya Allah, there will be people ending up in hellfire like they end up in prisons here. Like they end up as failure here. They're sitting in their homes and actually like beggars, not doing anything, just thinking how they can get easy money, destroying their... If they're married, they're making life hell for their spouses. If they're not married, they're making life hell for their parents, brothers and sisters. But this is about dunya. So I am saying that if you are worldly people, if you are people of dunya, still become successful. दुनिया में तो कामयाब हो जाओ. अगर कहते हो चलो हम दुनियादार हैं तो दुनिया में भी कामयाब हो जाओ. अपना काम करो सही तरीके से, पढ़ो सही, कोई अच्छी चीज़ कोई इन्वेंट कर जाओ. इन्वेंट समथिंग गुड फॉर द बेनिफिट ऑफ ह्यूमन. कोई अच्छी दुनिया ही की अच्छी चीज़ कर जाओ. वो भी नहीं. इसका मतलब ये है those people who are successful in akhirah, they are the one who are successful in dunya as well.